Hi, this is Anissa Coy with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week the question that we're going to talk about comes in from Tim. And Tim said, "Here is a copy of my contract that I have clients sign. Would you be willing to take a look at it and tell me if you feel it covers all of the bases from a legal standpoint?" Okay, my answer to your question, Tim, is no, I will not. I'm not an attorney. My videos should never be taken as legal advice, okay? The answers that I give you to the questions that you send in to me are based upon my personal experience in the industry and out in the field with clients. Also based upon my local, county, and state laws and rules, as well as advice that I've paid for from attorneys to advise me. Okay, I just really want to be careful and make sure that, again, my videos are never perceived as being, I'm giving you any kind of legal advice. I'm not an attorney, okay? Tim, I appreciate you emailing me very much. But what I want to tell you is my recommendation would be to go seek out an attorney, either an attorney in your local county or state that can give you that legal advice about whether or not you're covering your bases and if you've crossed all your T's and dotted your I's to protect yourself. Even better yet, I would recommend that you find a really good attorney that has dealt with or specializes in dealing with the kind of work that we do in the restoration industry. We're kind of a unique industry and one that can be very litigious, so setting your work payment authorizations, contracts, release forms up properly are pretty important to do. And having the right legal advice is obviously important to make that happen. There is actually a gentleman that I know pretty well and does a fantastic job, considered one of the top attorneys in our industry, and that would be Ed Cross. You can look him up on Google, and he does have information about legalities in the industry. So I appreciate your question, Tim, and I always am happy to help and look over, scopes and different things that I've had different people send in to me, or marketing pieces. But when it comes to actually looking over a legal document like that and giving advice on it, I'm just not comfortable doing that, nor am I qualified. As I said, I'm not an attorney. So I recommend that you find someone who knows how to work in the restoration industry, that is a licensed attorney, and that is very familiar with your local area rules and laws. All right, well, I want to thank you so much for watching this week's Ask Anissa video column. I want to be sure that you check out our blog, where we have lots of other goodies and free training at firehouseeducation.com, and be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any goodies. And go on up there and click the button and subscribe if you are on rnrmagonline.com's website, and subscribe to their e-newsletter so that you will get this and lots of other goodies every Friday in your email inbox. All right, well, again, thanks a lot for spending time with me. You know how much I value that, and I will see you on next week's video.